What's up, folks? It's Ray with Survivor Command, and I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on some things I refuse to go into the swamp without. First thing first, in no particular order, is an extra pair of socks, poncho or raincoat, neck gaiter or bandana, a way to start a fire, waterproof, windproof way to start a fire, a way to find your way out of the swamp, whether it's a map and a compass or a GPS, a way to communicate, the radio, weather station, the cost, the in-between, a way to communicate, and GPS, the inReach Mini, water filters, eye protection, bug protection, a way to warm up, the best way to warm up, something to cut some, a way to see, a way to charge your devices, trauma kit, booba kit, stop the bleeding, nicks and bruises,